Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's going to be about pre-COVID parts and post-COVID parts. Okay, before I get into the video, first thing I want to do is wish everyone happy holidays. It's a couple of days before Christmas 2023. And I want to wish everybody happy holidays. But this video is going to be about my fan motors on my 90 Corvette, and I'm going to show you when that was pre-COVID from years ago and when that is post-COVID. And I'm going to show you the difference. They both work fine, but I'm going to show you one major difference. We're going to go underneath the hood and I will show you. Okay, first thing I'm going to show you is this lower fan motor. Because on my 90 Corvette, there's two fan motors, an upper and a lower. The lower one is on the passenger side. The upper one is on the driver's side. This one was done before COVID, pre-COVID, and it is quite a few years old. It's got to have, 60 to 70,000 miles on it. I forgot the exact mileage, but it's been on there a while. Still looks like new. Now, let's go look at the other one, which is post-COVID. And here it is. Top side. Hopefully you guys can see that there. See my finger pointing at it. It's got that rusty thing there. And it's already starting to rust. And that is maybe a year old, not even. And you can tell it's just starting to rust. It works fine. But at some point I need to take it off and paint it with some rust encapsulator or something like that. God only knows how long it's going to last. I mean, if they didn't even do a decent paint job on it, or and normally they powder coat those parts. They don't just paint them. Apparently this one they did not do a very good job. So at some point that's probably going to fail. All right, we're gonna at least take it off and paint it. For the only reason I need to paint it is for appearance reasons, so it's not like really important. I could just leave it and say to hell with it. But considering that's only, not even a year old, and compared to that other one, which is I don't know how many years old, that's pretty sad. Let's go up top. Okay, as you can see, the newer fan motor, which was made after COVID, is already rusting. Now this one here is the one I replaced. This is actually still good, but it's starting to feel a little rough. And on the inside, where it faces the radiator, you can see corrosion. But as far as I know, this is the factory original one. And on the outside, you can see it still looks better than that rusty one. This is why I hold on to old parts. If there's, like this was just like a preventive maintenance. I can tell this thing is this thing was probably going to go sooner or later. So I just, rather than wait for it to go and overheat and destroy a motor, I just said, well, let's replace it. Now I could try and find a better one, but I doubt it. Like, all of them are going to be probably made the same place, same way. But at some point I'll take that out maybe, and just for corrosion prevention and make it look better, throw some rust encapsulating paint on it. But I'll update you on the C4 Corvette, what I'm waiting on, and then end the video. Alright, as you can see, the upper control arm is off, still off from my last video. I decided to go with the Global West Delrum bushings on the upper. The lower control arms, like I was saying in the last video, still waiting on, are still actually, those polyurethane bushings still excellent shape. The upper ones are still in excellent shape, they just need a re-lube. And I just got to take the other side apart, re-lube them, and of course when those Delrum bushings come in, I will do a video on them, installing them on the uppers only. I'll get into more of that in another video. And I'll end the video here. I hope that was informative in some way. I just really, everyone knows that replacement automotive parts have pretty much gone to hell. I figured I'd share that because it's just frustrating. It is. It's frustrating for me. It's frustrating for everyone that works on their own cars. It's frustrating for people who don't work on their own cars and need just daily transportation to get to work and stuff like that. And something goes wrong with their car, they take it to the mechanic, and the mechanic fix it, and then it breaks again because the parts are crap, not because of the mechanic or anything like that. It's just unfortunate. And there's many more examples out there, and I ain't gonna keep ranting on. So like I was saying earlier in the video, everybody have happy holidays 2023, and God bless.